Hello, I'm going to show you my new unboxing cube that I got for an early birthday present.
Nice. What's in that? What's in that box?
The Mirror M.
Is that what's the other stuff in the box?
The other stuff we're going to come back to later though.
Okay.
There's, I think, a screwdriver and a little license here.
And what's the screwdriver for?
Customizing it. Blue screwdriver and a little paper here. It's the mirror cube is like a cube that makes it more harder to solve. So if I do this, you think it'll just go up, but no, it changes shape.
Oh wow! So it's not like a traditional one.
No, solving it is just getting it back to look like this.
Can you scramble it?
Sure, I just need to solve.
Are you able to solve that yet or not yet?
Yes, I am.
You're able to solve it once it's scrambled?
Yep.
Okay, well, I want to see that.
It's kind of like a bit of methods from the normal Rubik's Cube.
Okay, that's pretty fast.
So I can solve that right now. I'm just going to scramble it.
Are you going to show tricks?
That means this video is going to take a bit long. GAN cube. It's easier because it has the magnets here.
Yep.
And it's very good because I could like one-shot it and it'll go back where it is.
Whoa!
And
You gotta teach. You know, we should make a video teaching people how to do that. That's pretty cool. Is it hard?
No, this is the little one.
Oh, who got you that?
You.
Yeah.
The chain fell off.
Nice. That's better without the chain.
I physically broke the chain.
I know you did.
It's my little speed cube. Some people call it a GAN cube, but no, it's a speed cube.
Nice. Do you like it?
This one I solved in 10 seconds.
Okay.
It's the Pure Mix. I don't know the world record. Comment down below if you do.
The timer on screen. Tell me when you're ready.
3, 2, 1.
And that's it for today.
I don't really know the method of this.
You did it. Show everybody. Show the other colors.
I don't know the method, but I just made my own up.
And is that it for your video?
Yep.
Good job.
Please like and subscribe.
You're awesome. Bye bye.